What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name is Susan Adike. I am a Nigerian food and lifestyle blogger currently based in Dubai. So in today's video, as you can tell from the title, I will be unboxing my new camera. This is Sony ZV-E10. So I'll be unboxing this in this video, so you guys should just stick by. But before then, I'm going to show you the camera that I was using before. That was back in 2018. I've been using this camera since 2018, but an incident happened in between 2019 that it fell into the river and then the screen got blind. It comes on once in a while, but I'm not really enjoying it, so I've been vlogging with my phone. So this is my previous camera. It is still my camera because it's still functioning well, except for the fact that it is blind. That's the only issue with this camera. I'm back in China and it is still functioning well, guys. There's really nothing much wrong with it except for the screen. When I got this camera, it came with a 32 GB memory card and a tripod, which have been so helpful. It came with the charger and extra battery, which is why it was really hard to make a decision yesterday when I wanted to get this camera. I really want a Canon camera because I am so used to Canon. So I was going to get the Canon M50 Mark II or Mark II M50. I'm going to drop the name here. That was what I was going to get initially, but we had to decide. I had to decide on getting this one, which I will be unboxing in this video right now. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe below, and thank you so much to every single one that I reached out to before getting this camera. You guys are the real OG. I would have gotten Nikon, but the price was way above my budget. My budget was just 3,000 dirhams, and that was what I spent. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Always remember to love what you do what you love, be yourself, love yourself, and believe in yourself. I remain your favorite baby girl, Susan Adike, and I'll see you in my next video.